Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English speaking practice. If you want to speak English confidently, remember one important thing. You don't become fluent by studying English. You become fluent by using English every day. Many students spend years learning grammar and memorizing vocabulary, but they still hesitate to speak. Why? Because they don't practice speaking regularly. Don't worry if your English isn't perfect. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a large vocabulary. You only need the courage to start. Today, we're going to practice together. I want you to repeat every sentence after me. Speak loudly. Don't just listen. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Every mistake is a step toward fluency. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Start with small sentences. Many learners think they need difficult words to sound smart. That's not true. Native speakers use simple English every day. Let's practice with easy sentences. Repeat after me. Hello. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? My name is Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. See you later. Excellent. Now let's talk about ourselves. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I practice every day. I enjoy learning new words. English is important to me. I want to speak confidently. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. Very good. Now let's describe what we can see around us. Look around your room. Repeat after me. This is my room. It is clean. There is a chair. There is a table. I have a phone. I have a notebook. The window is open. The door is closed. The room is quiet. I feel comfortable. Wonderful. Now, let's talk about actions. Repeat after me. I am sitting. I am standing. I am walking. I am reading. I am writing. I am listening. Did you notice something? Start speaking today. Even 5 minutes of speaking practice every day can change your English. Small sentences, daily practice, big results. Take a deep breath, smile, and get ready. Let's continue. Part 2. Use English in your daily life. In the first part, we practiced speaking with short and simple sentences. Now it's time for the most important habit. Use English in your daily life. Don't wait for an English class. Don't wait for a speaking partner. Practice wherever you are. Let's begin. Morning practice. Imagine you have just woken up. Repeat after me. Good morning. Today is a new day. I feel fresh. I am ready for the day. I will practice English today. I will learn something new. I am happy to start my day. Now say these sentences without looking if you can. Excellent. Getting ready. Now imagine you are getting ready. Repeat after me. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am taking a shower. I am getting dressed. I am combing my hair. I am wearing clean clothes. I am ready to go. Very good. Having breakfast. Now you're in the kitchen. Repeat after me. I am hungry. I am making breakfast. I am boiling water. I am making tea. I am eating bread. The food smells good. The breakfast is delicious. I am drinking water. I feel full now. Great job! Going outside. Now imagine you are leaving your home. Repeat after me. I am leaving my house. The weather is nice. The sun is shining. The road is busy. I am walking carefully. I am going to school. I am going to work. I am on time. Wonderful. At school or work. Repeat after me. I am in the classroom. I am in the office. I am listening carefully. I am asking questions. I am learning new things. I am doing my best. I enjoy learning English. Excellent. Remember this. You don't have to memorize hundreds of sentences. Just describe what you are doing. For example, I am walking. I am drinking water. I am opening the door. I am using my phone. Every action is a chance to practice English. The more you connect English with your real life, the faster you will remember it. Keep speaking. Keep smiling. Keep practicing. In the next part, we'll learn how to stop being afraid of making mistakes and build real confidence while speaking English. Chapter 3. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Now let's talk about something that stops many English learners. Fear. Many people think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is wrong? Here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes. Children make mistakes when they learn their first language. Even native English speakers make mistakes. So don't be afraid. Every mistake teaches you something new. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I speak with confidence. Every day, I become better. I never give up. Excellent! Speak, even if it isn't perfect. Imagine someone asks you, how was your day? Don't stay silent. Just answer with simple English. Repeat after me. My day was good. I went to school. I learned many things. I talked with my friends. Now I am happy. Very good. Notice that these sentences are simple. Simple English is better than no English. If you forget a word, sometimes you don't know the right word. That's okay. Don't stop speaking. Describe it using easy words. For example, you forget the word umbrella. You can say, it is something I use when it rains. You forget the word refrigerator. You can say, it keeps food cold. You forget the word pharmacist. You can say, the person who gives medicine. See, communication is more important than perfect vocabulary. Let's build confidence. Repeat these positive sentences. I enjoy speaking English. I learn from every mistake. I speak a little better every day. I don't compare myself with others. I compare myself with yesterday. I am becoming more confident. English is becoming easier for me. I believe in myself. Fantastic! Quick speaking challenge. Now answer these questions aloud. Don't worry if your answer is short. Just speak. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your favorite food? What do you like to do? Why are you learning English? Take your time. The important thing is to speak, not to be perfect. Remember this: the biggest mistake is not speaking at all. If you speak every day, your confidence will grow. Your confidence will improve your fluency, and your fluency will improve your English. So, from today, promise yourself, I will speak English every day. Excellent work! In Part 4, we'll learn how to think directly in English without translating every sentence in our minds. Part 4, Think in English. Welcome back! Now we're going to learn one of the most powerful habits for becoming fluent in English. Think in English. Many learners do this. They think in their native language first, then they translate into English. This takes time. It also makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Don't worry. You don't need difficult words. Start with simple thoughts. Let's practice together. Look around you. Look around the room you're in right now. Describe what you see. Repeat after me. I am in my room. The room is quiet. There is a chair. There is a table. My phone is on the table. The fan is moving. The light is on. The window is open. Everything is clean. Excellent! Now, try to make 1 or 2 new sentences by yourself. Very good! Talk about what you're doing. Whatever you're doing, describe it in English. Repeat after me. I am listening to this lesson. I am learning English. I am repeating every sentence. I am paying attention. I am improving my speaking skills. I feel more confident. Fantastic! This is called thinking in English. Describe people. Now, imagine you see someone walking outside. Repeat after me. He is walking slowly. She is carrying a bag. They are talking together. The child is smiling. The man is driving a car. The woman is waiting for the bus. Very good. You don't need to know every word. Use the words you already know. Talk about your plans. Now, let's think about the future. Repeat after me. Today, I will study English. I will read a book. I will watch an English video. I will learn 5 new words. I will practice speaking. I will not give up. Tomorrow, I will be better than today. Excellent! Train your brain. From today, try this simple exercise. When you wake up, don't think in your native language. Instead, think, good morning. I need to get up. I am hungry. I need breakfast. I have work today. I need to leave on time. During the day, keep talking to yourself in English. When you walk, I am walking. When you drink water, I am drinking water. When you cook, I am making lunch. These small thoughts will slowly change your brain. One day, you will notice something amazing. You won't need to translate anymore. The English words will come naturally. That's the goal. Remember this. Fluent speakers don't translate every sentence. They think directly in English. You can do it too. Start with simple thoughts. Practice every day. Your mind will become faster. Your English will become more natural. Great job! In the final part, we'll practice self-talk, mirror speaking, and a daily routine that can help you improve your English in just 10 to 15 minutes every day. Part 5. Self-talk practice and your daily speaking routine. Welcome to the final part of our English speaking practice. You've done an amazing job so far. Today you've learned to speak with simple sentences. Use English in your daily life. Stop fearing mistakes. Think directly in English. Now, let's put everything together with a simple daily routine. This routine takes only 10 to 15 minutes a day. But if you practice it consistently, your English will improve faster than you imagine. Let's begin. Morning self-talk. When you wake up, don't reach for your phone immediately. Instead, spend 1 minute talking to yourself in English. Repeat after me. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I feel happy. I feel energetic. Today I will practice English. I will learn something new. I believe in myself. Today will be a great day. Excellent. Mirror speaking practice. Now stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and speak with confidence. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Av. I am learning English. I practice every day. I enjoy speaking English. I am becoming more confident. I can do this. I will never give up. Smile while speaking. Your smile makes you sound more confident. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Keep speaking. Evening practice. Before you go to bed, spend a few minutes thinking about your day. Repeat after me. Today was a good day. I worked hard. I learned something new. I practiced English. I made a few mistakes. That's okay. Tomorrow I will do even better. I am proud of myself. Good job! Your daily challenge. Starting today, I want you to complete this simple challenge. Every day, speak English for 10 minutes. Learn 5 new words. Make 5 new sentences. Read 1 page in English. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Think in English whenever possible. Do this every day for 1 month. You will notice a big difference in your confidence and fluency. Final motivation. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight. It is built 1 sentence at a time, 1 conversation at a time, 1 day at a time. Some days will be easy. Some days will be difficult. But never stop practicing. Every sentence you speak makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Every day you practice brings you 1 step closer to your goal. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Start with simple English. Speak with confidence. Believe in yourself. And remember, the more you speak, the better you become. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and practice these exercises again tomorrow. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking, and have a wonderful day.